Hello scrappers, I got this unit here I'm going to try to tear down today. Went out to try to pick up a mobile home frame, but have to make a few cuts on it. Started to do a video on it, but I almost got the truck stuck, so I thought, yeah, I got to wait a couple days, let it dry up some more. So we're going to work on this. So, see what we got. Of course, I try not to leave any screws laying around. You want to be out here with the mower or tractor. Of course, I don't have everything I need out here either. Got to go get a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver, get that piece off. Like there's still something there, but can lid. I'm going to drag these couple pieces here onto the trailer. Yeah, I don't have my wheel bar over here. It's right there though. There's the copper. Yeah, let's see if I can get in there like this. A nice chunk of copper. Yeah, I'll just set it right there for right now. Okay, I can take those screws out, and then those will unbolt from that. Let me cut this one. And I think I can. This has got the Phillips and the 1/4 inch, and those are just plain Phillips. So I'll change this real quick. Yeah, I think I got this one and that one. That's mainly just an A-frame, and I got a motor down here. And then it's a furnace. See a transformer. So I'll probably set that off to the side and get the other 4 over here, get them done so I can get all these AC coils done and ready to go to make my trip to Kansas. Should have brought a grease rag for my hands. Tape is kind of nasty. Because that's what pant legs are for, right? A little more copper. Looks like I got a nice copper coil running flat under there for basically the whole size of this thing. So let's get tore down to it. Set that aside for now. How does this piece come apart? I got 4 screws here, or bolts here. Gotta drop that. I may have to get that compressor out of there. I don't see anything on top. So I may need to get the compressor out of there and then flip it over. It's kind of the way it looks. There's some good, couple of pieces of good heavy wire there to strip. These things are usually 1/2 inch. Some nice big washers. Okay, that part's done. Let me get this other piece of copper here. Get a pretty good size screwdriver here to pop this thing. Let's see if I can pop that off. I didn't bring my big tin bucket out here, but got the trailer there, so should I really need it. Set this over to the side. We get it later with the 2-wheeler. Mercy. Don't make an old man out of you. I don't know if that screw's holding anything. It feels kind of loose. If I can just get that box right off of there, and I might be able to. Yeah, a couple screws right there. be a lot nicer if I could get that up on the workbench or something where I don't have to lay down or sit down or something like that. Just all them wires. I'm just gonna cut this, all this stuff right here. Sometimes they pull easier if you pull them one at a time. Right there, I'm strip that, but I will strip this. I'll mess with this later. Got the compressor out, so that should be most of the weight. Yeah, there you can see that coil. Just a little guy. Not sure. It'll probably come right out the top or slide right out the end, something. I gotta go back over to finish unbolting that fan. I'll go ahead and get this leg off of here. I don't see any other bolts or screws or anything. Feels like it's full of something. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to clean that one out. Yeah, I got a little pick here. Let me see what I can do. If this doesn't get her, I'll have to go get my impact and a hammer. That did it. Oh. Mercy. There it is. That one ought to pay out pretty good. I'll have to get a weight on that one. Yeah, we'll have to get a weight on that one here in a little bit. Okay, about all I got now is the box off the back here. just got a few screws here and there. Not going anywhere. Oh, the whole thing's turning. Okay, I'm gonna get something underneath on that, so we'll come back to that. And we got a couple more here at the top. I'll either throw that on there, throw stuff in it, or I'll take the air chisel and cut down and then cut over. Just do that on both sides. Something like that anyway. Okay, I'll go get a wrench and we'll get the fan off of there, and then we'll see about getting a weight on that scale or that coil and see what we got on that. Okay, let's see what we can do here. And that's a little bit on the hot side. Yeah, I think on this I can just, once I get the motor off, I can just lay it flat and stomp the sides down. Cooperate. Okay. I'll finish, get that bracket off of there, then I'll be done with that, and I'll take that piece in there and we'll pick the video up in there. Okay, we're back, got it into the shop. I got 4 clips here that are metal. Nice thing on here, because it wants to fall over. I don't know what I did with my one magnet I had in here, but this end plate's aluminum, so I can cut the noodles right on the outside and just leave that on there. Won't be a problem at all. Just got to get these metal clips here off of here. Just using these side cutters, they come off pretty easy. Just don't have to pinch down too hard on them. Get a weight on that here in this thing here in a second. See how, I think we figured they were going $1.80 a pound for over 100 pounds. I think it was $1.50 for under 100, which I'm going to definitely have more than 100. So I'm going to do, turn our scale on. As you can see, that's zeroed out there. Got so much time before that thing turns itself off. Grab this thing up, lay it on top of there. Yeah, it's all on the scale. £51 pounds, 8 ounces, 51.5 pounds. So, don't have my calculator out here right now, but $1.80 a pound, that'd be a pretty good little chunk of money. Almost $100, huh? Be what? About $90 or something like that. 92, something like that. Well, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hey, just gained more weight. I'll cut the noodles off of this here a little later. I'll get out there and cut that other unit up and get it scrapped out, and then maybe I got a few wash machines up here, so I'll check and pull the wire out of them and get them on the trailer, and then I'll try to get the 2 more of the condenser units up to work on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you're not sure if you like it or not, I want to invite you to take a look around at the playlist and see what else I do, and see if I can earn your subscription. And my ad came out here a couple days ago. Of course, usually March is kind of slow. We get 4 to 6 calls, but I still have plenty here I'm tearing down. I got a call from a guy that I picked up from last year. He's got a pressure tank up in Newcastle. Of course, it wouldn't be worth making the drive up there. I'd burn more gas than what I'd be making, so I got to go to the city tomorrow anyway, so I'll swing by there on the way back. And then I went out to check on that mobile home frame. About got stuck out there. If it would have just been rain here a few days ago, it probably would have been fine, but melting ice just soaks in so good. So I've still got ice out here in the shadows and stuff that it's melting. So, pretty warm today. I think it's supposed to be like 77, so I'm actually breaking a sweat. I'm not complaining about the cold, yeah. But it's not near as hot as what it is for those guys down in Australia. So, I'm going to get out there and get that other unit tore down, and then get in here and finish this, cut this thing up, and get it out there on my pile. So you guys get easy, stay warm, stay cool, wherever, depending on where you're at, and hope you can find lots of scrap to stay busy. Bye bye.